All right, guys. So I just got a package from Woodpeckers Crafts, and I love them. I haven't even opened it. I'm gonna do this real quick because I just got it, and I'm doing this one-handed. So bear with me. I'm sitting on my floor, got my kids' toys over there. So don't judge me. I was doing laundry, folding clothes, so I just sat down when the mailman just dropped this off. So we are going to see, whoa, what is in here. What is this? Together. Whoa. Together. Oh my gosh. What is this? Okay, I don't know if I can open this up with one hand, but hold on a second. So they always send me a little note. It says, we're kicking off the new season with 25 new laser winner cutouts, and we thought we'd share a sampling with you. We so appreciate your part in the Woodpeckers family. Can't wait to see what you create. Sending you warm winter wishes and a little something to keep you warm wherever you are this winter. Okay, so this is Renee. Renee is always the one that sends me emails and all that stuff. I absolutely love her, and I'm assuming that this is a blanket, and like I will open it and probably insert a picture at the end here. Okay, so again, we're seeing this together for the first time. So they sent me these two like wood cutout panels, or panels. So you can either use them like this, or you can use them and put like a Cricut, do a cutout. You can do whatever, paint them. You can use them as little trays, put little handles on them. There's so many things you can do with these. I love these. So two different sizes. I don't know the sizes off top because I don't even know what I got in here. So they put confetti in there. All right, so then this is a dove. They're about an inch thick. I love their wood. It stains really well. Oh no, this is a squirrel. Ha! It's a squirrel. Sorry, squirrel. It's a squirrel. That's super cute. This is so me. That's so me. So yeah, but their wood is amazing. It stains really well. So you can obviously make a cute little, maybe get a little piece of wood, make a little stand with it. That'd be really cute. Oh my goodness, I love this. Definitely would make a cute gift, to put somebody's name on there. Put I love you a latte. You can make your own little logo and put it on there. Make a cute little, the little cozy, paint it because it does have like the little etchings right here. So you can make a little cozy around it and just kind of customize it if you want to, or just, make a cute little Starbucks plate or whatever. I mean, you can do a whole lot of things. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, these things are so thick. Like I said, they're about an inch, little under an inch thick. So definitely would be cute to make like hot cocoa, or do a Ray Dunn dupe if you're still into Ray Dunn, or if you know a coffee lover, you can, make a plaque with their name on it, or anything like that. So many different things that you can do with this. You can even make this into a coaster, really. They're the perfect size to sit a mug or a cup on. Hold on a second. I have my mug right here. It's almost empty, but definitely a good size for a mug. So you can use them, make some coasters. Just get some like Mod Podge or whatever. Make sure you get that dishwasher safe one, and then you can make yourself a cute little coaster. This is adorable. It looks like a teacup, but I would probably, sorry, my husband is calling me. I would probably turn it into like a coffee mug and make it, it looks like the one from, what's that show that I don't watch? Friends, is it? Where they have the little logo, but you can put the Luke's logo if you're a Gilmore Girls fan, or just put, coffee bar or anything like that. That'd be really cute. Um, this is adorable too. These are so nice. They're, I mean, I don't know how big the box is, but they're pretty big because it almost takes up the whole width of the box. So these are awesome. So you can make a cute little sign. It says tea time, or you're my cup of tea, or anything like that. Customize them again. That's going to be amazing if you have like a little coffee bar, tea bar, anything like that. That's going to be super cute. Oh, these are snowflakes. They're about an inch, I guess an inch and a half big. That's cute. These are just, oh, one of them's broken, or is that just an extra piece? Oh yeah, one of them's broken. It's okay. So yeah, these are little snowflakes, so you can maybe cricut a snowflake that fits this, or you can just draw on there, or just paint them white and just use them like that. Um, oh, these little snowmen are cute because they're cut in half, so you can put them on something flat. That'd be cute. Or you can use them in here. Where they go? Like use it inside of one of these, and glue it in there, make a little scene in there. If you have little trees, you can add a tree. So that's going to be really cute. And there are 6 of those, and they're about about 3.5 inches. I will put the link to Woodpeckers Crafts in my description box. That way you can, find all this stuff. And if I have a chance to, because I can't do it from my phone, but if I can get to my computer, I will find the links specifically for them and give those to you, or like the item number maybe, and then that way you can just kind of go directly to the items that they sent me. So I have to go search them up, and then I can let you know. But these are so cute, so definitely you can even make these into like little scarecrows if you're still doing fall. You can kind of turn these into a little scarecrow or something like that, but it's definitely more of a snowman. I love those. Those are cute. Oh, these are adorable. So it's little beanie hats. So this would be cute as like a little stocking stuffer, or it make some kind of little stocking hook. You can add like a hook to it or anything. You put the name on there, customize it, make them cute, put little prints and designs on there. So you get 3 of these, or I got 3 of those. Same thing with the little mittens, or another idea would be to use the bigger one, and then you can kind of put these in there. Sorry, you can put these in there, get some rope or some yarn and kind of hang them from there, and put like, if somebody's having a baby around Christmas time, that would be cute. Put their name on there with the little mittens. That would be adorable. And this one would be, it's a snow globe, but if you're into Halloween, it's a little late for Halloween now, but you could have made like a magic, what is it called? A glass ball. What is it called? I can't, whatever that's called. I'm drawing a complete blank right now. My coffee has not kicked in yet, clearly. But it is a snow globe, so obviously you could do that. You can also put one of the little one of the little snowmen on there, because it's just about the right size to fit in there. I know the lighting is really bad. It's very dreary outside, and for some reason, the light's not working on my camera, so there's that. I love a cute little mushroom. Every time I see a mushroom, all I think of is the Smurfs. But mushrooms are a big thing now. My daughter absolutely loves mushrooms, so you can definitely, paint these into whatever color you want. They're cute. They're adorable. They're about an inch and a half big, maybe. Super cute. And again, the quality of the wood is amazing in everything that they've sent me. This is a gift box. So of course, paint it up. You can even add like texture to it, put some glitter on there. You can put a ribbon around it and kind of make it look more realistic. So yeah, so I got that one. And then I'm guessing this is to make like a kind of like a mobile. If I'm thinking. Obviously, if you use your imagination, you can use them for something else. But I think that's what it is. You put the jute twine or whatever type of yarn macrame cord, whatever you want. You're gonna, put it so that they all come together, put a hook on it, and then make sure that there's enough hanging down. And you can even use like the little snowflakes and hang the snowflakes on there. Make a cute little winter mobile, or if you know somebody having a baby, you can make them a cute little mobile. Cute little star. Stars are, you can use anytime, but obviously Christmas time, you can use the star for that. make a tree if you want to do like a tree on the wall. If you live in an apartment or a really small space, you can get some garland and make the tree on a wall. And then this could be the star on there, painted yellow. You can even put like your family's name on there or whatever. That's really cute. Oh, it's a New Year's. It's 2024. Do I have anybody graduating in 2024? Because that'd be really awesome. I don't, but definitely a good New Year's piece. Anybody graduating in 24, this would be great for that as well, but super cute. Oh my, it's sweater weather. It is sweater weather, and I absolutely love this. I love it. This confetti, it's not coming off, but definitely turn it into an ugly sweater. You can put somebody's name on there. Um, you can even use this for like a school thing. You know, if your kids are in sports and they have like senior night or an awards night where you can decorate a table for them, you can put their school colors on there and then put their name on there, the logo or whatever. That's super cute. It is a disco ball. Disco ball. And when I first saw it, when I was peeping through there, I thought it was a globe, but it's definitely a disco ball. So obviously you can get, silver paint or little foil pieces, put it on there, glitter it up, do whatever you want. And if you don't want to do that, turn it around and you got yourself a nice little, round piece of wood there. And that is everything that is in the box. My daughter is going to absolutely love this confetti because she loves confetti and glitter and all those things. But yeah, definitely check out Woodpeckers Crafts if you haven't already. This is all such amazing stuff. I love it. I'm gonna see what I can use. I don't know. We'll see what I come up with. I kind of like the idea of making a little coffee bar sign. A little mobile would be cute. These snowflakes are adorable. So definitely gonna think of something to do with those snowmen. These little mushrooms are too cute. Too cute. These are nice and thick. I actually think I make some, teacher's gifts. That would be cool as a teacher's gift for Christmas. So maybe that's what I'll use it for. Again, these can be used for so many different things, kind of like a canvas if you wanted to paint on that side. So many different things. So there's those and that. This little snow globe is adorable. Again, you can turn this into a gift for like a teacher or anything like that. The one that I thought was a dove, but actually is a squirrel. And the cute little mittens. So again, there's so many different... Oh, wait, and this one. This is probably my favorite because I love coffee. Maybe I'll make like my logo from my other channel and put Java Jesus and journaling with Melissa and make a cute little logo, and then I can keep it like on my desk when I'm doing all that. And let me see if I can open this up real quick. Hold on. Let's see if I can. Let's see. I think I'm pretty sure. Oops. Oh no. I almost dropped you guys. Let's see. I'm trying to open this up with one hand and it wasn't working. I do believe it's a blanket though. That is so cool. Thank you so much. Oh, that is adorable. That's cool. Oh, my kids are going to love this. My son loves anything fleece and fuzzy and soft. So yeah, it's just a blanket. That'd be cool to also leave in your car. I'm going to do that. Probably going to put this one in my car because sometimes my kids get cold even with the heat on because I get hot. So then I turn the heat down and then they get cold. So maybe I'll just leave that in my car. And I'll put this in one of my journals. So that is it, guys. Be sure to check out Woodpeckers Crafts. Again, I'll have everything linked down in the description box. Thank you so much. And until next time, guys, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.